If you're looking to move away from Google Photos and take control of your photo library, two strong self-hosted options are Synology Photos and Immich. Synology Photos is built into Synology NAS devices and offers a solid, privacy-focused alternative with easy setup, no Docker needed. It excels in basic photo backup, facial recognition, and shared albums, though its interface feels a bit outdated. Immich, on the other hand, is a modern open source solution designed for mobile first users. It requires a more technical setup via Docker or a self hosted server, but it rewards you with sleek AI powered features like object detection, duplicate filtering, and ultra fast uploads. If you already own a Synology NAS and want simplicity, Synology Photos is the plug and play choice. But if you're tech savvy and want a fast, intelligent Google Photos like experience, Immich is the more exciting and evolving option. Both let you escape the cloud and regain control. It just depends on your comfort with setup and your priorities in daily use.